Dear students, today I perform the acidity and the basicity of the solution by the help of the pH paper and indicator. Okay, so there are some material required for performing this activity like the universal indicator, acetic acid, sodium bicarbonate solution, dilute form, and dilute sodium hydroxide solution and dilute hydrochloric acid. So before starting this activity, we need another six test tube. Here we have six test tube, round bottom test tube, and we put and pour some solution in each test tube. For example, we have taken lemon juice in this test tube. Second one have sodium hydroxide solutions. Third one dilute hydrochloric acid. Fourth one acetic acid. Fifth one water, and sixth one sodium bicarbonate solutions. All these solutions are diluted solution. So actually we need a chart paper, okay, having the value of pH and base. So we have collected this six chart paper and we dropped some amount of solution on each chart paper. Then we find the color change of pH paper while dropping of each while dropping solution on each pH paper. So we have performed this activity and we have found the result. Each paper color has been changed. Okay. So now we will match the color from this pH chart paper. So we have found the acidity and basicity of the solutions, how the solution is acidic in nature and how much is basic. Okay, pause. So after matching the color from chart paper, we have to find some digit of each solution. For example, we have found one value of lemon juice while adding droplets of it. And we have to find the value of the sodium hydroxide is 11. We have also found the value of HCl is 0 here, and we also have found the value of acetic acid is 2, and we have also found the value of the water is 7, and this one is sodium bicarbonate having value 9. Okay? We can be found out acidity and the basicity with the help of this pH chart paper. Okay, now we have another solution that is called the universal indicator. Universal indicator is also used to identify the acidity and the basicity of the solution. So we have some droppers. So now we take some amount of universal indicator. So before using subway, okay, so before starting, we take some amount of universal indicator and we pour some amount of drop in each solution. We found that the color of lemon juice has been changed. Okay? Okay? Now, look again. Okay? The color has been changed. Okay? This shows that this is acidic in nature. So actually now we found the same color here. We can find here the same color here like this one and this one. So chart paper colors and lemon juice colors having similarity. So both have value 1. Okay. Now take another solution and add some amount of universal indicator on top. Now we add some amount of drops of universal indicator in casting. Now we have performed the changing of color in sodium hydroxide solutions. Now we can resemble, okay, the changing color of sodium hydroxide with third one is hydrochloric acid. Okay, now we add some amount of drops of hydrochloric acid with universal indicator. Now pour some drop in plastic and we will find the changing of color. Okay, the color has been changed now. Okay, and we can resample it with the solutions. Okay, and we can also resemble the changing of color with chart paper. Okay, these are chart paper. And another solution is acetic solution. Now we add some amount drops of universal indicator in acetic acid solutions. Now after adding universal indicator in acetic acid, we found change of color. Okay. Okay. Now we take water. Actually, this water is neutral, having chemical 7, so it is neither acidic or basic in nature. Okay. It is neutral. Now add some amount drops of universal indicator in water. We have also changed. Now we have found that color has been changed of water. Okay. Now last one is sodium bicarbonate. That is baking soda is used in our home to prepare food items. Okay. Now change some amount of drops of universal indicator and pour in sodium bicarbonate solution. Okay. This is diluted sodium bicarbonate solution, so we have to found that the color has been changed. Okay, color has been changed. Now the changing color of this solution can be resembled, okay, can be resembled with this chart paper. Okay, with this chart paper, and you will found that they look same in coloring. Okay, and so by the help of the universal indicator, we can also find out the value of solution, which one is acidic and which one is basic in nature. Okay, so today's performance in today's activity has been finished now, and we will perform another activity in next day. Okay, during this class. We have to found the colors while adding universal indicator in lemon juice and hydrochloric acid having different value. Like lemon juice value have 1 and HCl is about 0 to 0.1. Right? So this is acidic and this is also acidic, but this one is more acidic in nature in comparison to lemon juice. Okay, and we have also found the changing of color of sodium hydroxide and acidic lactic solutions by universal indicator. Okay, and the value of sodium hydroxide is 11 and the value of the acetic acid is found is about 2.2. Okay, so this one is basic in nature. This is basic in nature, and this one is acidic in nature. Okay, and you know that there are various uses of acetic acid in our home or in our daily life purpose. Okay, there are various uses. We have already discussed about this acidic acid in our field classes. Okay, and another solution is H2O. Okay. As soon as we drop some amount of universal indicator in H2O solution, okay, and H2O compound, we found the change of colors, okay, that soap that is neutralized, okay, that is neutralized in nature, okay. And last one is sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda is used in food bakery, food industry and other uses. There are many uses. Like baking soda is also used and wasp and other insect cut our body and we feel a rashness, then we should rub our body with the help of sodium bicarbonate. You know, you get it? Okay. So as soon as we drop universal indicator in sodium bicarbonate, we found the change of color of this solution. It shows that it is uh, basic in nature. Okay. It's a little bit basic in nature and having many awards. Having many awards. Okay. That is basic in nature. Okay.